Tarano Speak English. Lesson 2, Travel English. EP1, At the Airport. Hello and welcome to Tarano Speak English. If you want to speak English in real life, you're in the right place. In this lesson, we're going on a trip. You'll learn travel English at the airport, step by step, using easy and useful words. Don't worry if you're a beginner. You don't need perfect English. You don't need big grammar. You just need simple sentences and a little confidence. Today, we'll practice real airport situations. Arriving at the airport, checking in, passing security, immigration, finding your gate, waiting, ordering food, and boarding the plane. Relax. Take a breath. Listen carefully. Repeat after the speakers. Imagine you are really at the airport, ready to travel. This is English for real life. Simple, practical, and fun. Let's start your journey. Let's begin.
Excuse me.
Sure. How can I help you today?
Where is the departure hall?
It's upstairs. Just take the escalator.
Oh, great. Thank you. Which terminal is for international flights?
That's Terminal 2.
Okay. How do I get to Terminal 2?
Go straight, turn left, and follow the signs. Easy.
Nice. Is it far?
Not at all. About 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here is my ticket.
Great. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, just one bag.
Okay, please put your bag on the scale.
Sure.
Perfect. Your bag is fine.
Great. Thank you.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate number is 23. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Hello. Do you have any luggage to check in today?
Yes, just one bag.
Okay. Please put your bag on the scale.
Sure.
Your bag is a little overweight.
Oh, I see. What is the limit?
The limit is 20 kilos.
Okay. Can I take a carry-on bag?
Yes, one carry-on bag is allowed.
Great. Is this bag okay?
Yes, it's fine, but it must be under 7 kilos.
All right. I also have an extra bag.
No problem. There is a small extra fee for that bag.
Okay. How much is the fee?
It's $30.
That's okay. I'll pay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Hello? Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Do you have any liquids with you?
Yes, just a small bottle.
No problem. Please put the liquids in this tray.
Sure.
Please take off your shoes, please.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have a laptop in your bag?
Yes, I do.
Please take the laptop out of the bag.
All right.
Great. Please walk through the scanner.
Okay.
You're all set. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Hello? May I see your passport, please?
Hello. Sure. Here you are.
And where are you flying to?
I'm flying to New York.
Great. What is the purpose of your trip?
I'm traveling for tourism.
How long will you stay in New York?
I will stay for 10 days.
Where will you stay during your visit?
I'll stay at a hotel.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Everything looks good. Enjoy your trip to New York.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
Where's gate 15?
Gate 15 is on the second floor.
How do I get there?
Go straight and turn right.
Thank you. What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 8:30.
What time is the flight?
The flight is at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
Is this gate 15?
Yes, this is gate 15.
Is the flight on time?
No, the flight is delayed.
Oh, how long is the delay?
About 20 minutes.
Will there be an announcement?
Yes, please listen for the announcement.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me,
Yes. How can I help you?
where is the toilet?
The toilet is over there next to the elevator.
Thank you. Where is the food court?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No, it's near.
Where is the lounge?
The lounge is on the second floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello, what would you like?
Hello, I'd like a sandwich, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, a coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
That's $8.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your food and coffee.
Thank you very much.
Hello, may I see your boarding pass, please?
Hello. Here you are.
Thank you. What is your seat number?
Seat 12C. And
Okay, please go ahead.
thank you.
Boarding is now open.
Great. Thank you very much.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Great job! You have finished today's airport travel English lesson. Now you know how to ask for help at the airport, check in your luggage, pass security and immigration, find your gate, order food, and board the plane with confidence. Remember, speaking English is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Practice these role plays again. Speak out loud. Speak slowly. Believe in yourself. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Tarano Speak English. See you in the next real-life English lesson. Keep practicing, keep going, and happy travels.